Understanding the phrase, be of one mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, be of one mind. This phrase is not just about agreement, but it embodies a deeper sense of harmony and unity in thought. So, let's dive in and understand what it really means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Be of one mind is an idiom that means to completely agree with someone, or to have exactly the same opinion as someone else. It's often used in situations where people are working together and need to have a unified approach or understanding. It's important to note that this phrase emphasizes not just a casual agreement but a deep and harmonious understanding between individuals. Let's see how this phrase can be used in real-life scenarios. 1. In a team project. Our team needs to be of one mind if we're going to finish this project on time. 2. In a relationship. It's wonderful to see how they are of one mind when it comes to parenting their children. 3. In business decisions. The board members need to be of one mind before making such a significant investment. These examples show how the phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts. Interestingly, the phrase, be of one mind, has its roots in literature and historical texts. It's been used to describe political harmony, religious agreement, or even philosophical concord. Knowing this background can help you appreciate the depth and richness of the phrase when you come across it in books or older texts. There are several phrases similar to be of one mind, such as seeing eye to eye. This means to agree with someone. On the same page. This implies having the same understanding or information as someone else. Understanding these similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary and help you express agreement in different ways. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, be of one mind. It's a powerful expression of unity and agreement, useful in many aspects of communication. Remember, learning a language is not just about words, it's about embracing the culture and the nuances that come with it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next video.